Okay, so before we begin, let me show you this box. These are nail extensions you can easily do at home. No parlor, no spending thousands, just patience, a little care, and the right steps. If you already have nail paint on, please remove it completely. And if your nails are long, trim them very short. Trust me, short. Clean nails make the biggest difference. So, step 1 is very simple. Cut your nails completely using a nail cutter. I've already trimmed mine here in this video, nice and short. Now step 2 is nail buffing. You can use this nail buffer and gently buff the surface of your nails. We're not trying to damage the nail, we are just removing the shine. Why? Because when the nail surface is slightly rough, the extensions stick better and last longer. Now step 3 is cuticle pushing. I'm using a cuticle pusher here. Your cuticles act like a barrier. So if you don't push them back, the extension will sit on the skin instead of the nail. So that causes lifting very fast. So gently push them back slow and soft. Now next step is step 4, cleaning. After buffing and pushing cuticles, there will be nail dust. So take a nail wiper and clean each nail properly. Now let me show you this properly. Inside the box, you'll find 24 nail extensions, different sizes from very small to medium to slightly bigger ones. This is actually very helpful because everyone's nail size is different. Take your time here. Place each nail on your finger and see which size fits perfectly from side to side. A perfect fit makes the nails look natural, not fake, not bulky. And one more thing, if these nails don't have a design, you can absolutely customize them. If the extensions feel too long for your comfort, you can cut them, you can shorten them, shape them, round them, square them, whatever suits your hand. You don't have to keep them extra long. Shape them the way you like. Now coming to application, there are 2 ways to apply nail extensions. So the first one is stick-on. This is perfect if you're going for an event or just for few hours. You simply peel the sticker, place it on your nail, press it well and stick the extension on top. Quick, easy, temporary, right? So the second method is glue. This is for when you want your nails to last for 7 to 10 days. I am using this nail glue that I ordered online. I've gotten this from Meesho and yes, it was a buy one get one offer. For glue application, remember this, less is more. Just one small drop on a natural nail. Place the extension slightly near the cuticle, gently push forward and then press it down. Hold it for at least 20 to 30 seconds and let it settle. If you're a beginner, it might feel a little messy and that's completely fine. Do it one nail at a time. Choose the size, apply glue, press and hold. Slowly and calmly, and once it's done, look at how natural it looks. These don't look fake at all. They blend beautifully with your natural nails. One important tip before you go is avoid hot water for at least 1 hour. No washing, no soaking. Let the glue set properly. And that's it. This is how you can do nail extensions at home. Easily, affordably, and beautifully. Now you know, beautiful nails don't need a parlor, just the right steps. Save this video, you'll thank yourself later. Subscribe.